Yeah. Okay. But this control, we cannot take control. Right? Okay, no problem.
No.
Okay, so you can log into your quality system. Anything is fine.
No, but yesterday I create the new access. But where is this variable logging?
No problem. You have an existing system, right? Cancel it and
But you don't need the HANA system. This is from
yes, yes.
this is my company.
Correct, correct. No problem. You log into your quality system. I think second one is quality, right? Yeah. Correct.
Okay. But I got it another login from other company from my friend.
Okay, whatever you are having, we can see that. You log into other system, but you are not using in your. See, my idea is that if you log in your company system, then
Yeah.
I can help on more things. If you are logging into your friend system, then it will be another double work for you.
Okay. But we will nothing change here, anything else.
We will not change. So go to quality, second system, quality, second one.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Something get error.
One minute. Okay, what about this one? Are you connected to VPN or any other Citrix or any other? How do you your SAP system?
No, I am connected to the VPN.
Okay, connected to the VPN.
VPN is already connected.
Okay,
But
can you log into
maybe
other system like production or development, any other system?
I don't have access. Maybe just a minute. Here
Yeah,
I
it is
have
opening, right? You
access.
have access. Yeah, can you please log in here?
Okay, but um, this can I cannot use because I don't have any login details here.
Okay, so which system you have login details? Do you have any other system?
I got it this yesterday. Uh, I created one system, and here okay,
Okay.
I give these details. Just a minute.
Yeah, just share the details. Okay.
This is
So you
from my
find
friend. I got this is my from my friend.
okay, but existing system in your company, you do not have access, right?
No, I don't have access now. They blocked everything.
Yeah. So yeah. So you first get the ID for you in the development quality and production system.
No, they will
So
not
it
give.
will be
No,
very
no, they will not give.
then
No.
then how do we do the learning in that? When they will
From
give basically?
from this account.
Okay,
From this
from this account only, right?
from only this
Okay.
account.
Right, right, correct. Yeah, no problem. So just go to the menu bar system, menu
Okay,
bar, not
menu.
here. Top,
Yeah,
top, top.
yeah.
Second last system is there, right? Not here, not here. Again, right
System.
side, this one. Yeah, correct. Click on the status. Right. And in the down, you click on that second last button. Arrow mark is there, right?
Yes, this one.
Not this one. Arrow mark, arrow mark.
Arrow mark.
Yeah,
Yes, this.
yeah, correct, correct, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Click here.
Shall I click? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So if you can see here, you are currently using SAP 793 kernel and databases HANA here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you are using Linux operating system. Okay,
Okay.
this one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So this will give you the version on that. Now close this window.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you see this screen, there is one option is there, license expire on. Click on that option.
License
One minute.
expire.
No, middle only. License
Okay.
expire on. Not this one, not this one.
Here.
Expire
Okay.
on.
So,
Correct. Yeah. So in this, if you see, go to the this one, this second tab, installed product version.
product version. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your product. Okay. SAP S4 HANA 2023. If you see the description here, the product
Yeah.
version is SAP S4 HANA 2023. Okay.
Okay.
So this is our second N minus one model. So currently, SAP has launched the product SAP S4HANA 2025. That was last year in November. So that is the
Okay.
latest product, but this is one version lower than the latest product. Okay, so this is
Okay.
N minus one version.
It's similar or just the 2025 is advanced.
2025 is having some advance compared to
Okay.
this one, but anyhow, 90%, 95% will be same only here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now you go to you close this window. So here, if you see the downside, the database,
Database.
right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. So database, it is showing that HANA DB. SDB is the SID, so HANA database. It is showing the version also. If you see the release here, it is
Yeah.
showing the release 2.00. So
Yeah.
this is your HANA database 2. So database version is latest because now we have only 2.0 version,
Yeah.
and application is N minus one version. That is one version less than the latest version.
Okay.
Okay. So now
Yeah.
coming to just understanding part. So you are running this in Linux system. If you see the host data operating system, it is showing here Linux. Okay.
Linux. Yeah.
Yeah. So you are currently logged into the Linux. Okay.
Okay.
So now coming to this one, basics, what we are going to start here. We have that daily status health check, we will check it. So let me explain it. What is so just close this window.
Yeah.
Okay, and in that uh, uh, menu, there is option is there to type some transaction code. So start with the yes, not here, not here. In that field is there, na cursor is blinking.
Pardon?
Not here, not
Here.
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 Yeah, yeah. Type
Yeah.
the transaction code. I will type the name here. First, we will start from the database level. Okay. So you type here
Okay.
DB02.
Uh, EB02. Okay.
Correct.
Enter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now in the left node,
Yeah.
left side, you will see the status, current status.
Yeah.
Can you expand that node, current status?
Ah, okay, 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 okay. Sorry, sorry, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
And click on overview.
Overview. Yes. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see this screen, you can see
Yes.
that the status of the database. So
Yeah.
database, you can understand that green is there. Green means all services are running status. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And here, if you see the version also, database version is 2.00073. Okay.
Okay.
HANA 2 SP07. Then this is Linux operating system.
Yeah.
Okay. And here, if you scroll down right side,
Yeah.
yeah. So here you can see the current memory and the CPU allocation in the database. So
Okay.
currently the total memory is allocated around 71 GB, and out of
Okay.
71 GB, 65 GB is used by the database. Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and CPU also, if you can see, currently CPU allocation is 24, but it is not fully used. Maybe I think 20-30% is there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And if you see the right side, the data disk volume. So data volume here, it is showing that total data volume is around 839 GB. And out of
Mm-hmm.
839 GB, 144 is for storing the data. Okay.
Okay.
And coming to log volume. So log volume is like 839 GB. And again, here limited 7 GB gigabytes. And last one
Okay.
is trace file. So here total 839 GB.
Mm-hmm.
It is 86 GB. So
Okay.
explain me what is the meaning of all these things. So
Yeah.
you are basically from IT system admin background, right?
Yes.
Okay. As you know, in our system side, we will check the server and we will check the memory, how much memory is
Yeah.
used and how much
Yeah.
is the CPU,
Yes.
like
Yes.
that. So
Right.
yeah, correct. So same way, database is also using the same thing. So currently, the database server, which is running in the Linux enterprise server, that is SUSE. So in
Mm-hmm.
that, the memory is used by the database for only for database is 65 GB. So 72 GB is total allocated. So same concept
Okay.
here also.
Okay. Yeah.
Whatever you are seeing here, na?
Yeah. I got it.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
CPU also same concept. So 24 CPU they have allocated in the server. And out of
Yeah.
24 CPU, I think 20% is very low usage only.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And coming to right side, data volume and all those things. So as you know that every database will have data file system and log volume file system, like that. So same thing here also. Database means here data is only used 144 GB, out of
Mm-hmm.
allocation is 839 GB.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you click inside this, you will see the bifurcation of what are the data of different things. For example, if you see the left side,
Yeah.
this is index server. Okay. So left side,
Yeah.
if you see volumes is index server, then access engine, DB server, docker store. So index server is the main service of the database, HANA database. So if index server service is not working, so you cannot store the data. The server
Okay.
database, yeah, database system will not work. Okay, because database is like having critical component. So index server is like very critical component. If you are not able to start the index service, or if your index server is not staying operational, then definitely the database HANA database will not start, or it will not work properly. Okay. And right
Okay.
side, if you see here, the HANA database here, we have file system like slash HANA data HDB. So this is for data volume. So whatever the
Okay.
data related to all this components, index server, DP server, document, that will be stored here. Then coming
Okay.
to slash HANA slash log HDB. So whatever the log related files, which are part of the value having the logs for the database, that will be stored in this file system.
Okay.
Okay, and same way we have another file system USR SAP HDB. So here the trace related files for the database level that will be stored and captured here. So these are
Okay.
the main file systems for the database. First is slash HANA data, then slash analog, and this one
Yeah.
trace related file system.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So now just go one step back, click one, yeah, correct. So now here, click on this one. All services are started. Click on that green signal. Not here, first one. Operational state is there, right? Operational state. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So this is the services which are running in the database layer. Okay. So all services, if you see here, what are the different services which are running once we start the database? And if you see the right side, the memory, memory, if you
Yes.
see, right, memory and available memory. So you can see how much memory is used by the each services. Okay.
Okay.
So this will show you the understanding of what is the services running and how much memory is used by different services.
Okay.
And so mainly I have said that index server is the main services. So that's what if you see here, index service is having processing memory node here.
Yeah.
62 point something like that. Okay, 62 GB like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so now if you see, I think the start time in that is showing started 70. I think yesterday they started the database on that. Yeah, and yeah, can you just go back one step back?
One step back. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so here now coming to this memory wise, if you click on memory used, double click on memory used, not here, in that same here, not in the same screen only. Yes, correct.
Here.
Double click on there. Yes, right. Yeah. So here also you are seeing the same screen. So memory, whatever we have seen in the previous screen, whatever the memory it is used. So if you see here, out of 89 GB, index service is using around 62 GB.
Yeah.
Yeah. And here you can just expand that also. Yeah. Little bit, right. Yeah. So here major is used by index server. So all other services like daemon, name server, preprocessor, these are very minimum uses. So our always focus is that whenever we start the database, index server should be up and running, and it should be having the status as green signal. So this is all the services we are showing here. Everything is green. That means our database is running with all the services in operational state. Okay, can you back one step back?
Okay.
Okay, now click on CPU usage. Double click on CPU usage, not this one. Yeah. So here also, if you see here, this will go to the
This
same screen
CPU.
only. Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you see here CPU usage in this total CPU, right? If you just expand the column total CPU,
Total process CPU. Total CPU.
yeah, correct. Yeah. So here total CPU, if you see here, out of this one, what is the CPU different processors are using, CPU percentage.
Yeah.
So, but actually the current CPU utilization is very less. There is no like over CPU utilization, and database is under very low utilization of the CPU. So there is no problem in the CPU side.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go step one step back. Okay. Now, coming to left side, if you see that one alerts is there, two warnings with high priority.
Yeah.
Yeah, click here.
Yes.
Okay, so they're saying is some what is that live cache. So maybe live cache is something not relevant for database, so that they've not scheduled it. If you expand that, yeah, category expand this one live cache, and other one is showing that RFC connection for client is not maintained. So these are not related to database. And other one, if you see that 1st January backup. So backup is like a very important thing. So backup, what is saying that last backup is 1148 days old, right?
Okay.
So this database is not taken the backup.
Okay.
So and it is showing that database does not support point time recovery. Its current log mode is override. So
Okay.
what I am saying is that as a backup side, we will focus more in the next session. So I will just explain you what is the different types of backups here. So currently we have full backup, okay, and then incremental backup, okay, differential backup like that. Then we have log backup, okay. So
Okay. Yeah.
everything will be taken in the backup side, okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And if you expand the node left side, if you see there is one backup node is there. Yeah,
Yes. Yeah.
not here, not here. Left side, left side,
Okay. Here.
left. No. Left side. If you expand it, current status, right? Left side node, current status.
Current status. Okay. Yeah. Here. Yeah.
Go
Current.
to left again, left status, current status, right? Current status, left side.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. So if you go down, there is one node is there. Fourth last node, backup. Not here. Scroll down.
Backup.
Backup is there.
Backup.
Not here.
Backup.
Not here. Again, down.
Here. Here. Sorry. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
So here, if you click on first one, backup catalog, double click on backup catalog.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. So you can see the status of the backup. So the last backup, if you see here, the last backup was taken in 2023. I think 2 years back.
2 years
Okay.
back. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
yeah. And the backup, if you see here, the right side, they have given the path, destination path. Okay. So destination path they have given HANA Media DB is one.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the path where backup will happen
Yeah.
for the data. Okay. And now click on log backup option. There is one tab is there, but not here, not here. There in this screen only log backup after configuration.
After configuration.
No, just go one is Our
Okay, log backup. Okay, okay.
correct.
Yeah.
So if you see here, the log backup is also taken 2 years back, 2023. Okay, and log backup is also successful. Okay. So now, what is our main thing is that database backup is very important because if something happened, right, data crashes or server goes down, then we will
Yeah.
use the data backup to uh, what is that our database to the last step. So
Yeah.
backup is the main thing, and definitely we will explain you on the practical part on the backup side. Okay.
Okay.
So now uh, I think our time is 10 o'clock. So we will
Yeah.
continue tomorrow because we will take the backup from HANA Studio. So tomorrow we will
Can you can
work
you
on the
can you
HANA
please
Studio.
can you please type me the message and I can send you this message?
Yeah. You can open one. I will type here HANA Studio.
Please set on the WhatsApp chat.
Okay, WhatsApp chat. In the
Yeah.
Teams chat, I have given it. If you
Yeah,
can see the Teams
because
chat,
yeah, I will type on the team chat. Okay, no problem. Then I will copy it. Okay.
yeah. So you can ask your friend to give access to HANA Studio,
Yeah.
or we need to install the HANA Studio.
Okay. Okay. HANA Studio. Okay.
Yes. So HANA Studio is a SAP provided tool. We can do the database related activities like database backup. Then we can take the starting of database also. Multiple things we can do with the HANA Studio.
Okay. No problem. Then I will write a message to him. Then yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
if you have any doubt or anything, you can make a note and then we will first clarify your doubt. Okay. So
Okay.
today you can check the recording. Yeah.
Just a quick question. Do you have only time from 9 to 10?
Yes. Because my your Indian time is only from morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Yeah.
Okay. Or from after lunchtime, you don't have any time.
Yes. Because our working hours is that time only. So that time it won't be possible to start after lunch.
It's not possible.
Okay.
So I will start SAP. But why every time I should re-add the server once again? Every time. Yesterday I added and now again asking.
No, this should be local 001, right? Not here. Cancel it.
Answer okay.
Click on local 001. Okay.
It's empty.
Got disappeared. Okay.
Yeah.
Add it again. Try one more time.
The credential is.
So did you check with your friend regarding that HANA
Yeah.
Studio?
I wrote a message and he don't reply me, but maybe
Hmm.
he saw my message, but he will send me the reply message.
Okay, sure. And another thing I asked yesterday regarding that, what are the different work or like issues or tickets or tasks you are taking support from your SAP partner, so that we can identify those topics and we will start aligning the training topics based on those tasks. and issues.
If you want, I will show the application server. Okay, no, this application server. So
Okay, no problem. First, add this in SAP GUI, then we will discuss on that.
okay. Instant numbers. 3. This is SAP. Next is next. Robot.
Can you go to your SAP GUI? We will see whether it is added or not.
Okay. It's added.
Okay, fine. But here, I think, okay, then we will see tomorrow. Yeah, correct. Okay, no problem. You log into the system, SAP system. Yeah.
Okay, it's connected here.
Yeah. So now coming to the work which you are dependent with SAP partner 11 to SAP basis side. So could you please show me anywhere, do you have any thing, any list of work which you are doing related to SAP with SAP partner?
Here I don't have it. I have only this is our server. This is our company server. Okay. Normally, if I go to ticket, I have to reset the password. Then I will type my so I will copy this. Go to here on the client and the password. And now I'm only doing this, like then I will go to here and add a customer name and I will reset the password. Like I don't have account, JO, my user account, then I can change my account password. Only this I am doing, nothing else, nothing.
Okay. So you have told that you are taking support from your SAP partner on other activities or other work related to SAP. So do you have any list of those things which you are dependent with your SAP partner? Means what are the things you are taking support from SAP partner? Do you have any list or any?
No, that is a feature thought. I have to do my courses, and after then we have to consult with our company. Then I will take. This is our everything server. This is our everything server, and we are doing this.
Okay. So you are not having any details regarding what are the tasks which you are taking with SAP partner, right? What are the things you are depending with SAP partner?
No. Right now, no.
Okay. So no problem. I understood it. And currently, who is coordinating with SAP partner? Is it you or somebody else in your IT?
And I'm from headquarters from France. This is someone doing.
Okay, so from France headquarters, somebody is coordinating with SAP partner for day-to-day work. Okay. Yeah. So currently, yeah, tell me.
Then tell us.
Yeah. So currently, you are saying somebody from headquarters France, they are coordinating with SAP partner, and you are not doing any work in SAP as of now, apart from resetting the password, right?
Yes, yes. Regarding because they will also back to the roots because they will also handle from the Switzerland because that's the cost will be take over from the Switzerland. So it is every time is too much cost because apart from France they are making bills, so the Switzerland has to pay. So Switzerland decided, okay, we will give some support from the local engineer. So the local engineer has to do. After it's not working, then we have to move to the third level support. So that's why they will pay the courses. If they pay, if I done the courses, then I have to take over first and second level support in Switzerland. If I cannot finish, then I have to send it to the headquarters and with the provider together.
Understood, understood. No problem. So now I got the idea what is the working model here. So now let us focus on our SAP basis thing. So can you go to your production, your company production system? So we will check the same thing. Yesterday we checked, right? Already you logged in, I think. Can you go
This
to
is
there?
from my company or for others?
No, no, company only. We will check in your company production system only.
Here, this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
But here I don't have any password. I have only
Login.
I have only the other password to reset the password. Otherwise, I got nothing to do with that.
No problem. You can log in with the other password.
Okay.
Yeah.
Also not with the friend's account, the friend account to studies or company account.
No problem. See, whatever this ID is there, na, username, USR, HW2, we will use this ID password and we will teach you in this only. Okay.
Okay, because I have a two account. One is it for 800. This I think this one is yeah 800 and
Correct.
other
Correct. Correct. Right. This one only.
this. Do you want this one? Okay.
Yes. So this is your company system, right?
No, this is from my friend. I connect with my friend system. They give me for
No,
my
no,
for
I'm asking.
studies.
Okay, this is your friend system. I am saying go to your company system.
Okay, then I will go to my company system. Okay, I will minimize. Then I will log it on here on the.
Yeah.
This is user maintenance. Okay, you can go to back. Okay, this is a company because yeah, this is company. For reset
Okay,
the
fine.
password.
So now, understood, understood. Now, coming to the SAP system version. So go to the menu bar in the system. Not here. Second last. Second last.
Okay.
Yeah. Status.
Status. Okay,
Yes.
status.
Click on status. Yeah. And click on here product version.
Product version. Okay.
And install product version. Second thing. Yeah. So this is your ECC ERP system. Okay. So currently your company is doing the old system. They are using your old. It is not a SAP S4 HANA system. It is. If you see this, it is showing that EHP 8 for SAP ERP 6.0. Okay, ERP
Okay.
6.0, and this is the NetWeaver product. So basically, your system is not SAP S4 HANA. It is an old system before SAP S4 HANA. So as I showed yesterday also that ERP is the older version which many companies are still using and they are not migrated to SAP S4 HANA. So
Okay.
this is the current version on your side. Can you please close this window?
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you see the right side database, you see the right side database, it is showing, yeah, HDB. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is your basically HANA database 2.0, and
Okay.
now it is running on this one Linux operating system. Okay, if you see the left
Okay.
side
Yeah.
operating system is Linux one. So
Yeah.
now you close this window
Mm-hmm.
and go to that transaction code where we typed yesterday DB02. There is one place is there, right? Yeah, correct. No, not here. After tick mark, yeah, this one, right? No, no, after tick mark, that's second one. Arrow
Ah,
mark is
okay.
there. Correct. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Type the same thing, DB02.
It's not showing.
Okay.
You are not authorized to use the.
Okay. No issues. Then what we will do, we will use your friend system only. So you
Okay.
can close this system. Yeah. Yes. Log into your friend system.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So yesterday we discussed about database DB02. Now today we will go next step. So in the database side, I will show you again. Go to the same T code DB02.
Yes.
Yeah. So here, if you see here, left side in diagnostics, right?
Yes. Yeah. Diagnostics. Yeah.
Yeah. So here, for example, whenever we want to check any log files like audit logs or traces like that, we can use it. So if you click on audit log, just click here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So as of now, there is no audit log here. Now click on this one, execution trace or the second last diagnostic files. Second last is there diagnostic files. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you see the screen here, the right side you will see the column modified time. Okay,
Yeah.
so 19th May, today is 19th date, and everything will get captured in these test files. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you can open select one line, and there is one option is there display file content. Yeah, select that line. Correct, correct. No, 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 entire line, entire row you can select. Yeah. Correct, correct. So now if your option is there, display file content. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can double click also. No, 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 double click also, or otherwise in that in the top screen. Yeah, not here. Another one. Right. Again, go right. Somewhat right. Display file content option is there.
Display file contents. This one or this.
Not this one.
Uh,
Not this one. Again, go somewhat right.
other display file content. This one. Okay.
Yes, correct, correct.
Okay.
Okay. Click on yes. So if file is somewhat big, it may take more time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what, or we have option is there download compressed and download uncompressed. So we can download the file and open like that also. Yeah.
Okay. Click. Should like click no.
or you click, yeah, 1 minute in that, you click no, but it will not take. There is one option is there in that display file content. Click there.
Nothing is creased. I
Yeah, I
can't.
think file is big. So no, no, there's one option to stop transaction is there. You click on that icon, display file content icon only in this only, not here, not here, in this pop-up only, this pop-up window only. Yeah, correct. Stop transaction. Click on stop transaction. Last
That's
option.
open. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. So it will stop it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now go to same transaction code again. DB02. Stop. Yeah. Again run that. Go. No, go back. Go back. Yeah. Not here. Back option is different. Correct. DB02. Yeah.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. Correct. Diagnosis files. Okay. So you can select the first one,
Okay.
or you can yeah, and click on download compressed. Second one.
Compressed.
Other option. Yeah. Okay. And go to your this one. What is that? Laptop desktop folder. It will save it. Correct. Yes. Remember. Allow it.
This, I think, yeah, index.
Yes. Yes. Correct. This one only. Right. Correct. If you right click and unzip it, yeah, right click extract it. Extract this. Yes. Open this file in Notepad. Correct. Okay. So this is one example for this traces HANA DB and all those transaction ID. If you see in this any row, you will see the different transaction ID and different context ID. This is this. Okay. So basically, if we want to solve any problem or any issues related to HANA database, we need to open the relevant trace files and go inside the trace files and see what is the error we are getting. And based on that, we need to find the solution from HANA side and SAP support side, then go check and apply them. So this is the way we can do the log file downloading and analysis for checking the issues related to HANA database side.
Okay.
Okay. Now go to SAP screen. Yeah. Okay. So now here we have checked here. Then click on the option SQL editor.
SQL editor, yes.
Yes. Okay. Here this is like fetching the data from any table in the HANA database. So if something any user or anybody wants some data from the table, or what is the requirement, then we need to just type the required SQL statement and insert here in this, and we need to execute. So it will get the data from the table as per the user
Thus,
requirement.
if I gave just a name, it should be shown.
Name, you can put any name as per your this one need, and after that you can put the query and it will give the output like that. Okay.
If I click enter now, what will happen? Nothing.
No, nothing will happen. Nothing, because we need to put the query
Okay.
and then we can get the output. Okay.
Okay.
Then coming to left side. Okay, so here 1 minute. Click on this one, DB users and privileges. Left side, DB users and
Privileges. Okay.
yeah, correct. Yeah, so here we are using
Here on the diagnostics.
no, not diagnostics. Top. See, current status node is there, right? After the performance here.
Performance.
Second
Okay.
node. Yes. So this required. See, for example, you click this one. Threads. Click on threads here.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah. So currently, what happened is that whenever somebody is running the query or some job from the application level, so database side, you can see what are the threads running here. If you see the status, some threads are showing in the running status, some are in the waiting status, some are related to network pooling side. So it will just show the process here. And see, normally what happens is that if there is what is HANA database side some more severe something like problem, right? Issues. If somebody is
Mhm.
reporting issues in HANA database side, we need to see which thread is causing the more problem. Then we can cancel the thread. There is an option in the right side. Cancel thread option is there. We can use that option, cancel thread.
Mhm.
Okay. And
Okay.
coming to next one, expensive statements. Click on expensive statements. Yeah. So as of
Okay.
now, there is nothing running there. But if we want to see whenever there is a performance issue on the database side, we need to give the user detail and then timing. Then we need to execute. That time it will show the any expensive query which is running in the database layer. Okay.
Okay. Then I
Then
can.
come.
It's like how many server I have. Then I can add the host IP and the port
Yes,
and
sir.
DB user.
Correct.
What is the APP
Yes, sir.
user?
That is a SAP side user. Matlab, somebody is running the transaction in the SAP side, so we need to put that ID in there.
Okay, that's means it's from material or like from customer or like this
Right, right.
users
Right.
or FICO user like that. Then I can FICO user. Then I can type it. Then I can see the statement sharing or like that.
Correct. Right. Okay. Then left side, there is one option is there. Load history and long running operations. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. Click here.
My question is, we cannot install in our if I arrange one server, Linux server or Windows server, we cannot install from ourselves SAP.
No, we can install the SAP. Definitely, we can do that. But that will take a lot of time, not like 1 hour, 2 hours. It will take a lot of time. So definitely we can do that. Let us first complete the this our
Okay.
L1 support training for this one. After that, we
Mhm.
can do that. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Because I have a server,
Yeah.
then
So if you
we can
see,
show. Yeah.
correct, we can do that. That part we will do in the next level training. So currently we are in the L1 support for training. Okay.
Okay.
So here, if you see here, the load on the last 24 hours, what is the CPU, what is the database SSD memory, like that it will show. But
Okay.
mainly this node is used for basically analyzing any performance issue at the database side. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll come in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Arun.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we go to the next stakeholder. So basically, this is the things at the database level we will check in this transaction for this one. Okay, monitoring and health issues purpose. Now type another
Okay.
T code. Go to the same place and where you have typed DB02, same place. I will tell the T code name.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I will type in chat so it will be useful for you. You can just copy paste. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the transaction where we check the regular status of the database backup. Okay.
Mhm.
So here we can check the option. If you see the option here, there is option in the menu bar, not here. Action details, edit, delete, add. Can you click on add option?
Add option. Okay. Here. Yeah.
Yes, correct, correct. Yeah.
Plan starting day to date is too
You
early.
can select the no no. I'm saying put cursor on Wednesday 20. Select the
Uh,
row 20, Wednesday 20. Not here.
okay.
Here, correct. And now select on add.
Okay. Now add. Okay. Okay. Now it's
Okay, so
coming.
if
Yeah.
you see here, yeah, so
Yeah.
there are the different categories action.
Mhm.
Okay, so if you just click drop down, what are the different options we are having? That is log collector, data backup, consistent check, differential data backup,
Okay.
escalation incremental. So this
Yeah.
place we can create the backup jobs, complete data backup or actual data backup like that. This place we can use for running the backup. So main thing is that once you are creating a backup job, we should have the target file system or server where the backup files will be stored. Okay.
Mhm.
So once we get that file system detail, we can trigger the backup. So basically, if we have this server HANA
Mhm.
database where it is installed,
Mhm.
we can identify the file system and you can ask your friend to give access to the HANA database server also. Okay.
Mhm.
So that we can check the required file system. And second thing, HANA Studio also asked him, we can try it. But from here, we need to find the particular destination for backup. If you see here, just select that option, complete data backup. Okay.
Complete data backup. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And plan start, we can select the time as per our requirement. And now if you see here, this one, backup destination, right?
Yeah.
In that down.
Backup destination.
So
Yes.
down, if you see, yeah, yes, yes. So here we need to put the backup destination, but backup destination will be on the server side. Okay, but here uh, default destination will be in the server.
Okay.
And we need to put the particular file system. Okay, then it will happen. Otherwise, we can use HANA Studio. So if you access to the server, so you can ask the friend to give the access to the database server. So we can log into the database server, and there we can try this backup related things. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So you can close this window.
Just a minute, I will make a print screen. Okay. Yes.
Now you can close it. Okay. So here, this is basically used for database backup related monitoring, basically. Okay. So coming to HANA database side, so these are the main transaction codes. One is DB02 and one is DB13. So DB02 will cover most of the things, almost 99% in that database perspective, and we don't need to try other things on that. Okay. Now I will start some basics on the application side. So coming to application, we have many transaction codes. So first I will tell you here only, no, here only. Type the transaction code. I will ping you the Teams chat.
Okay. Why is DB2 is a standard, or we can also change the name?
No. The DB2 is a different database. Okay.
Okay.
And HANA is a different database. For example, you know, there are multi-database like Oracle database or SQL database by Microsoft, Oracle by Oracle. So like that, DB2 is a database provided by IBM. So that is a different database. Okay.
Yeah, but is a standard given from the SAP DB2, or is it standard given, or is this just from a common, all are using the same DB2 name?
No. Actually, DB02 is a transaction code. Okay. So DB02, yeah, SAP standard only. So whatever you are using, right? DB02 T code. This is a SAP standard. So whenever you run this T code in ECC system or SAP S4HANA 22 system, this DB02 will be working everywhere. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So do you have any queries from yesterday and today class related to HANA database side?
That's
Any questions?
That's a question because the DB02, that is my why DB02 is we are using it is from the standard given name from the SAP.
Yes, this is the standard keyword. No, this is the standard keyword given by SAP.
SAP. Okay. That's okay. This code I should know. No, man. This is also from standard given from the SAP. NDB number.
Correct, yes.
Okay. This code I should know.
See, correct. So /n. See, I will tell you what is the meaning of /n. /n means it will end the current transaction and it will start the NAND transaction. Okay. So if you type only DB13, it will not allow you to go to the DB13. Okay. For example, go to your SAP screen. I will give one practical thing. Yeah. Here type only DB13.
Nothing happened.
And type DB02. DB02. Nothing happened, right? Now, if you type /n, Type here /n
and ever
db02.
something is opening. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So /n means it will end the current screen. It will close the current screen and it will open a new screen of
Okay.
new transaction.
New transaction. It's like a root cause. Also, if I give a slash, then they will go to the root folder like that.
Correct. It will go to the root folder. So you can try also. You give /n and just enter. See, it came to the root folder, right? It is coming
Okay.
to the home screen. Now
Home
you type
screen.
the transaction DB13.
Okay. Again, go to the. Okay.
Yeah. So it come your database planning calendar.
Okay. Okay. It's clear. Okay.
So
Okay.
transactions, see
Yeah.
transactions or keyword, whatever you are seeing DB02 or DB13, the SAP is like having this different keywords for
Mm.
managing different things. For example,
Mhm.
database level, they have these are the main transaction codes like DB02, DB13. For server level, we have different transaction codes. Same way for
Mhm.
application level, we have different transaction codes. So our first point is that we should remember these transaction codes. You can make a
Yeah.
note of these transaction codes and you can use in your SAP administration whenever you are logging into the SAP
Yeah.
system.
Okay. I
So
got
these
it.
are the important for, yeah,
Yeah. I got the codes. The codes should be memorized on my mind, and I can use it very faster. Yeah.
correct. And you can do very faster, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so database side, these are the main things. So I have one question here. So in your previous experience or current experience, did you ever work on any database?
Yeah, I studied my Oracle and MySQL, but so a long time ago. But I never used, but I studied Oracle
Okay.
and MySQL. Yeah.
Okay. So
And
did you
also
ever?
SQL also.
Okay. So did you ever done any practical on Oracle or SQL?
No. Very less. No.
Okay. I'm saying based on your current or previous experience, do you what are the things you will do on SQL and Oracle? Whatever less things also.
Yeah, it's very less. No, nothing. I'm working on nothing on the SQL. No.
Okay, fine. So here, as a SAP system administration, basis administration, so we should have the expertise and experience on HANA database because SAP is running on HANA database. For example, in your current company system, it is ERP6, that is old ECC, but still the database is HANA database. Okay. And same here in our friend system, that is SAP S4HANA 2023, and it is running on HANA database. So as a
Mhm.
system admin, we should have understanding on how the HANA database transaction works and what are the different things we can check while doing our day-to-day health check. Okay,
Mhm.
fine. So now let us go to the next thing, what is SAP application side. So SAP application side, I will tell you what is the important things. So let me first ping you the transaction code. You can
Mhm.
enter the transaction code. Yeah, I pinged in the Teams. Yeah, you can just copy and put /n and SM51, right? No, /n.
Plus N.
Yeah, correct. And enter. Yeah. SM51. Correct. Type SM51.
Uh-huh.
You can
Uh,
directly type complete thing. SM. Correct.
okay. Yes.
Okay. So this screen is
Mhm.
basically for understanding how many servers are running at the application side. Okay.
Okay.
So if you see the meaning of this screen, the instance, application server instance, the first column is application server instance. So this is the name of the host. Whatever the server application is installed, it will show the name of the host. Okay.
Okay.
Then coming to second column, that is the host name.
Host name. Okay.
Short form of the host. Then third is this one. What is that? What are the different processes running in the application side? Okay.
Okay.
And fourth one is status. So if you see that as active, that means your application SAP system is running fine. Okay. So now coming to second, this the third column, instance services. Can you just double click inside this?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we will understand this screen. So currently, if you see here, the first thing here, for example, if you see the meaning here, total number of work process 19, right? If you see in this top screen,
yeah,
total number of work process 19.
Right.
Okay. Then dialogue, yeah, dialogue is 10. Out of 10, 8 are free. Okay. So I will explain you the what is the meaning of work process. So see, work process is like that. For example, if a user is running a transaction code, for example, material transaction code or sales order, anything, he will log into the SAP system, okay, and he will start the transaction code, okay. So that transaction code is like dialogue mode, means we are just dialogue means we are talking with SAP system in direct transaction code, maybe some material transaction code or some other transaction code he will run directly in front of the screen. So in his screen, he is running. For example, you are running some transaction code like DB02 or DB30. So this the process which you are using here, it will show that you are running one transaction code, and it will show what is running here. Okay. For example, if you see here the dialog process, here there are two things running here. For one is in running state, that is it will show the ID. So this, I think this user ID 43BA is your friend ID, right? 43 basis. User ID column. If you see the column, if you see the user ID column,
this is for me. They send it for me. This is my user ID, maybe for me.
Correct. So this is your ID, okay. And another one is S4 GUI one. Maybe some other person is using this for testing or practice.
Testing like this, maybe.
Yeah. So now there are things. For example, if you see the second this column number time, okay, time. If you see, just expand the time column. Yeah, somewhat more expansion. Yeah. So this process is running for that person who is somebody using your friend system. No, just expand it.
Yeah.
So this somebody is running this system process for 1,33,916. So this is like they did not stop the transaction. It is still continuously running. So there is one more column on hold. Can you just expand the on hold column? Yeah. Okay. So I will explain what is the meaning of this one. So if you see the state here, just wait here only. So the backend session in private mode. Okay. So the meaning is that, for example, SAP will allocate some memory. For example, if some you are running some transaction like DB02 or DB13, or same way some other user, material user or sales order user is running some transaction related to materials sales order. So when they run some transaction in the dialog mode, that time it will allocate some memory. But once the transaction is continuously running for a long time, the available memory will not be sufficient. So it will have another memory from the application side, and the system SAP side will try to allocate the secondary memory like some heap memory or like that, and that memory will be allocated for this process. So if you see here, this process which is running for more than 1 lakh seconds, it is coming in the private mode. Private mode means the user has not stopped the transaction, and user, I think he slept or he left the system like that, and he did not even bother to close this transaction. So if such
Okay.
type of issues you see in SAP screen in
Mhm.
this transaction code, so our first step is that we need to select this row, and I will tell you what we can do. Select this row. Yeah,
Yeah.
correct. And in the go to menu bar administration, okay, and first option work process. Here, okay, let me explain what are the processes here. So
Yeah.
cancel means it will cancel the process with core, without core. So with always use without core. Without core is required because once you cancel the process
Yeah.
without core, it will not generate any dump file or core dump file in the application server. Otherwise, if you select the process with core, it will generate some big, very big size like 1 GB or 2 GB core file in the application server, and it may cause file system related full issue or some other issue. So we always use the second option. You can
Without.
click the second option, yeah, without core.
Okay.
Here, yeah. So you will see the pop-up cancel select work process. So whatever you highlighted the eighth row, you select this, it will cancel the work process. So click on yes. And now click on refresh. There is one refresh option is there in the work process. Not here, not here, not here, not here. Go down, go down, go down. Down, 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 down. One refresh icon is there, refresh icon.
We have refresh icon here.
Yes, correct, correct. Click on this one. Yeah. So if you see here, that process eighth row, right? You selected the
Yeah.
eighth row. That process has disappeared. That means
This.
the work process user, some other user or some other user who was running this for long time, more than 1 lakh second,
Yeah.
and he left the system and he slept or we don't know what he did, but that process is no longer appearing, right?
Appearing.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that process got cancelled.
Okay.
So
Okay.
any doubt in this?
No, it's okay. It's clear. This is also if some user has a problem, then I can go to here and restart like that. Then should be work.
Correct,
Without.
correct. If some user is, yeah, if some user is running a transaction for a long time, you can check here
Yeah.
and restart it. And if user asks that why did you cancel the process, tell that user you are running the transaction for more than a long time and he did not close the transaction and it was causing a memory issue in the application side. So that's why we have cancelled the transaction. Like that, you can inform to the user. Okay.
Okay.
So this is one type of issue we will get in our application level, SAP system side. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now let us understand the other things.
Yeah.
So if you see the screen here in the dialog mode,
Yeah.
the 10 work processes are there. Out of 9 are free. So as of now, 9 work processes are free. One is running. So one is running with your ID only. So you
Okay.
just go to the right side. Right side. Scroll to the right side. Yeah. So if
Yeah.
you see your ID will show here, right?
Yeah. This is my idea.
Correct. Correct. Okay. You can double click. Yeah, you can double click. So it will show you what is happening here. For example, DB statistics. If you
Yeah.
see the DB statistics, it show direct read operation only one time it is going to the HANA database.
Yeah.
Others are sequential read, insert operation, update operation. So all
Yeah.
these are zero. That means there is no update or other operations are happening here. Okay. So we can understand in more detail about any user who is running the transaction code in this dialog mode, and we can find out what he is doing, whether it doing more insert, update operation, sequential read, like that. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Now go back, go one step back.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, dialog wise, if you see, now only your ID is only showing the process. So we don't have any other process. Okay. Now next is update. Okay. So if you see here, Second option, it is showing below dialog. There is one update is showing, right? One on one total.
Yeah.
So the meaning of update is when you are doing some updation in the transaction table level. For example, if some user is running a purchase order, right? He is getting a purchase order and he is modifying purchase order. Okay. And that time the material quantity and that one will be modified and the data will get updated in the table. So during that time, what will happen? The update process will come into the picture and it will show it in this screen. Okay. So as of now, just go to the left side.
Yeah.
Yeah, scroll to the left side.
Mm-hmm.
Not here. Left side. Left down is there. The left scroll bar. Down, down, down.
Okay. Here.
Not here. Not here. Down,
Here.
down, down. Down of the screen. Not here. Down of the screen. Yeah, left side. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you see here, there are two things. One is 10th row.
Yeah.
Select the 10th row. Yeah. Correct. So if you see here, it is showing that waiting. Okay.
Yeah.
So no update process running by the user. Okay.
Yeah.
So as of now, there is no update process. Understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is background. Okay. So background is if some jobs, background jobs, if somebody is running a background jobs, okay, or user is triggering a background job, or some SAP side we are triggering a background job, that time this background process will show the job name or something like that. Okay. So if you see in this screen, from row number 11th to 16th, okay, it is showing that BTC. BTC means background. 11 to 16 means BTC background. Yeah.
Okay.
So as of now, there is no background job running. Okay.
Okay.
If some user is running any background job, it will show that they are running in that. Okay.
Okay.
Then coming to spool.
Spool, yeah.
Next is spool. Yeah. So spool is any user or who is using printer. If they are using to trigger a purchase order document printout, right? If they want to trigger a sales order document printout. So that time when they are triggering a printout related operations, this spool process will start running.
Okay.
It will show here the process running. Understood, right?
Yeah.
And last one is update task 2. So this is interlinked with the previous update process. So if some user is running update and internally it is calling other update process for multiple tables or multiple views, that time this update task 2 will be running. So these are the main process in our what is that SAP application server. So this is our application side. This is our SAP application side. So these are the main process. So normally we will get issues in dialog process. So example, today you have cancelled one process, right? Without code, you have cancelled one process. Yeah, correct. So correct. So this type of issue we will get from the users, and that time we can follow the process of cancelling the dialog process. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So now you can what we can do, we can continue the next tomorrow. So you can go through the recording and you can practice it, and you can go through some online material also. Okay, and see if you need any more more information. We can connect tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.